Yes, I'm aware the video hasn't even started yet, but I did fix the recording issue where you couldn't see my screen. Yippee! So, now you can see everything that I'm talking about, and you can see my mouse now, which is really good to see what I'm actually trying to reference. Anyway, on with the video. Alrighty, with this one we're going to be working out a limiting reactant problem, and it is going to be, I figured we should probably do this one since it is going to be on the test for extra credit. We're going to be working out, this is just an example, I have no idea which one's actually going to be on the test, although that would be pretty awesome if I did. We're going to be working zinc plus hydrochloric acid. This is actually pretty perfect since we're learning about acids right now. But zinc plus hydrochloric acid to zinc chloride plus some hydrogen gas left over. So this is already a balanced equation. I'm getting this off Khan Academy. Khan Academy has some great practice problems if you ever need some extra. So it wants how many grams of zinc chloride, which is this, will be produced from 26 grams of zinc, so 26.0 grams. Oof, that's a little rough. 26.0 grams for zinc and 42 grams, 42.036 grams of hydrochloric acid. So, and it wants our answer in grams rounded to 3 sig figs. So, first, what we're going to start off is we are going to find the molar mass for both of our things here and the molar mass for this here as well. So I'm going to pull up that website that I mentioned, S.T.E.M, and should be, ooh, that's a little, there we go, there, like that. S.T.E.M, we go to the periodic table, and then we're looking for zinc, which is, where is zinc? Right there. Its atomic mass is 65.4. So zinc's is 65.4 grams per mole. So then we pull this back up and we look for, what are we looking for next? HCl. Hydrochloric acid. Now it's, oh, where were you? You should be up here. 36.46. So we'll go to blue. 36.46 grams per mole. And then you know what we'll do? We'll change U to blue, so that's a little less confusing. And then we'll change this one to something else. We'll do like green, because why not? Green. Now, zinc chloride, we'll look that one up. Zinc chloride should be U. And it should be, if we're checking, 1 zinc and 2 Cl, yep. And we've got 136.3. So 136.3 grams per mole. Okay, so now what we want to work out is which one out of these two are going to give us the most, well, not the most, the least amount of zinc chloride. So to figure that out, we take our 26 that we have up here, which is our zinc. And since zinc's is this, we take 26.0 and then 26 grams. Remember, going grams to mole. We divide by the molar mass. So divided by 65.4 equals, let's put that into our calculator. Yeah, 26.0 divided by 65.4. Round to 3 sig figs, that gives us 30.398 moles. So now we do our hydrochloric acid, which will be 42.0 divided by 36.46 equals, let me type that into our calculator, 2.0 divided by 36.46, 1.15. Remember 3 sig figs, 1, 2, 3 right there, 1, 2, 3 right there, 1.15 moles. So after we're done with that, we close out my calculator. So now that we have both of these, we can plug them in and see, well, actually we don't need to do that. There's a little trick that I like to do where we grab yellow. Haven't used that yet. See how we have a 1:2 ratio. So that means if this amount of moles is over double of this amount of moles, and this works for any numbers, just the one that's bigger. So let's say if this was 4 and this was a 3. So if this was 4 over 3 times as big, then we would have to go with this as our limiting reactant. So, this being the case, 0.398 is well under half of 1.15. So that means we will be going to this number for our production. So it will be, and since it's 1, 2, 1, 1, that means this number and this number will be the same. So we have 0.398 moles of zinc chloride at 136.3 grams per mole. And now when you're going moles to grams, you multiply by the molar mass. So multiply by 136.3, and that gives us 0.398 multiplied by 136.3 equals 54. Oh crap, what was that? 54.2 grams of this, which is perfect. But now, if you want to figure out, so that's a great answer. I think that's what the Khan Academy one just wanted. Let's find out, actually. Limiting reactants. Let's see if that is correct. If it's not, I'm going to make myself look really dumb. 54.2. 54.2. Boom. Perfect. Look at that. Alrighty. But, as we know on the tests, generally, we have to also show how much of the other stuff will be left over. So, let's start working on that down below. Yeah, we'll do down below. So, if we have 0.398 moles of this, and this is a 1:2 ratio right here. That means there will be twice as many moles of this as there are of this. So if we take 0.398, multiply it by 2, we get, where should I drag you? You'll go over here. We get, and what color is this? This is blue. So we get 0.7, it was 96, right? Not 69. Yes, it was 96 moles of HCl. So, and then, again, going moles to grams, multiply by our molar mass of 36.46, and then that equals, we shall see, oh, wait, hold on, I can just see. Oh, crap. Oh, nope, didn't save it. Oh, wait, yes, it did. It's right there. Hello. Multiply that by 36.46 equals 29.02. 3 6 figs, 1, 2, 3. Actually, that 2, 1, 2, 3. There we go. 3 sig figs. So you take this. Now to find out how much will be left over, you simply subtract this from your starting amount. 42.0 minus 29.0 equals 13 grams left over of HCl. And then I am going to clarify up here with this answer. That is how many grams of zinc chloride was produced by this reaction. And overall, the limiting reactant was the amount of zinc. So, happy studying. Hope you get that extra credit answer right. Good luck.